means that we should avoid this tour and go directly to the chocolate place.
I ate a lot of chocolate, so I'm a happy girl now.
I have so many melodies in my pocket.
Oh my god.
Hello people! Join us today as we visit an all-you-can-eat chocolate buffet. Oh, sorry, I meant to say come with us to do a tour of the Lindt Chocolate Museum in Zurich. This is an interactive chocolate museum in Switzerland and also the home to the original Lindt Chocolate. The guided tour takes you through all the processes that are involved in chocolate making, but most importantly, you can eat as much chocolate as you want inside. This place has been on my bucket list for so long because, of course, I hear unlimited chocolate and I want unlimited chocolate. But it turns out that it is super hard to get tickets unless you book well in advance, which is, well, just not my vibe. On this day, the tickets were sold out too, but we decided to show up and ask in person anyway because we are delusional like that. To our surprise, they did have some tickets that they keep for selling at the counter, and we got lucky. I guess the chocolate gods have blessed us.
It's the most precious animal which causes pollination on cocoa beans. Because for all chocolate creation happens in Lindt because of this animal.
And you know what this animal is?
Yeah, mosquito.
Good.
Mosquito. And go directly to the chocolate place where we can eat and make our
Petition
tummy
to
happy.
just eat chocolate and
Yeah.
leave. Probably no, the Nutri-Score is E. And anyway, we will eat it.
Yeah, so we want to directly go to photo of showing banana trees. I have so many banana trees in my pocket. Please.
Out of pure social pressure, some of us had to pretend to be interested in the history of chocolate. My personal favorite is this rotating thing, which was sort of building up my appetite for later. So, here is the real deal. Here is the real reason we are here. Did you see these 3 chocolate fountains? We can eat as much as we want from these. Since we got all dizzy on the history of chocolate, we decided to really slow down for this part of the tour and really take in and absorb what the tour has to offer, or in other words, just hog the chocolate fountain. And then this was my second most favorite part of the tour. There were these small blocks of bar chocolate which come in different flavors like orange, salted caramel and so on, and you could just put your palm to the machine and the chocolate falls to your hand. I mean, could life get any better? And of course, it was also unlimited. I guess these guys have just decided to give us diabetes at this point because they are also giving us more chocolates to take home.
Oh my god.
After eating our weight in chocolate, we finally arrived to the end of the tour, which was this little contraption, which was again giving us, guess what, more chocolate. So it's safe to say that we left this place quite sugar high. If you have watched till the end of this video, go get yourself a sweet treat because desserts go to the heart, and subscribe to Travel to Ecstasy, and we will see you on our next adventure.